welcome back to my channel. My name is Asteria. If you are new to this channel, please make sure that you watch the video until to the end, like, leave a sweet comment, and also subscribe to this channel. So I'm here to give you guys a room tour, like I said in my first video, that we are in Swakopmund. So behind me here are the rooms. So I'm going to show you guys inside. As you enter, welcome to this room. So as you enter, you see there is a huge bed, a double bed here, very much comfortable. And also over here we have a fridge. It's inside the fridge. There's nothing. It's empty, so you can see. And here we have a screen, a TV, television. We have Netflix, if you want to watch movies on Netflix also. And also, you come over here, little kitchen. So, we have a kettle here for warming your water. We have a microwave. It works nicely. As you can see inside, there's nothing. It's not supposed to be anything. Anyways, we have a sink. Here. Clean water, dishwash, washing your dishes. We have some sugar and coffee sockets. We have some tea bags here. Yeah, and some washing clothes. When you look under here, we have some plates, some utensils, everything. Let's go to the bathroom, the shower. Yeah, I'm not sure if there is sufficient light here, but let me take off these glasses. Here we have a zinc. We have a toilet here, toilet pot. So we have the shower here. And this is how you open it. You can go in there and do your business. Over here we have beautiful mirror, but it's not designed for tall people like us. If I want to see myself in the mirror, I have to bend like this. But anyway, it's a very nice one. So we have another second room and also we have a cupboard. This is where you can keep your beds, your clothes. We have a little table there if you want to do your office work while you are here. If you go through here, there is another door that links to the second room. So let's go. Welcome to the second room. This one is very, very much spacious. We still have a very nice comfy bed here. We have a little table on the side. You want to place your laptop here and work while you're on your bed. There is a socket, electricity socket. This socket. We also have a screen, television, very huge, nice one. Then we have cupboards, very nice cupboards. We have this one that has shelves, a lot of shelves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very nice one. And the upper part here, and also we have wardrobe. This one is very spacious. So even I fit, you see, but I have to bend because I'm too tall. It's nice, spacious. We also have the upper part here. Wow, this is big. This is big. We have kitchen. Come with the kitchen. Let me show you the kitchen. Again, in here we have a fridge. Small fridge. Oh, this milk. At least this one has something. And then the jar. These jars are having just tea bags, coffee, and sugar, and we have cream milk here for your tea. Another microwave here. A kettle for your making your tea. We have a zinc here. Of course, with clean water, dishwash, another cupboard with utensils. Yeah. Yeah. And then we have a bathroom again. Another bathroom. Mirror, zinc, shower. We have a toilet pot. Yes, and another shower here. So this guest house is in Swakopmund. It's called 12 Franke. So if I'm not mistaken, I will still leave the name on the screen. And this room, the cost of it per night is $200 per person. So if you are 4 and you are taking 2 nights, that makes will amount to 1,600 if I'm not mistaken for 2 nights. If you are 2 for 2 nights, $800 in total. So this is worth checking out in Swakopmund. I will leave the name of the guest house on the screen at the end of this video. So you guys, here we have another entrance. In case you don't want to go through the other one, or maybe you book to this room separately, you are not a group of people, you can have your own entrance, which is here. You can enter out. But if you are a group of people and you are all together, you can go through the other door that links to the other room. Yeah, so with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you find yourself coming to Swakopmund and then you don't have accommodation, you don't know where to stay, it's worth checking this place out. You can just, on Google, you'll find it. I'm not sure if I should leave the phone number. I'm not sure, but yeah. In case I don't put the phone number on the screen, it's in Swakopmund, 12 Franke. I'll leave the name on the screen. Ciao guys, see you in my next video.